Malopeke presidential directive. It's just because of time. The president had directed me, Balaro Miaro A, Ki Iachori, to carry presidential directive. Namukwe Mike Palam directive Eruni, and General Salim Saleh. Man, in our meeting before God and man, when the oath of secrecy. So I why man down in water. And how do you imagine 67,000 heads of cattle living actually in that specified period of time? It's practically not possible. Non-position for me and my. And then the second position, Mapa quoting hand, but more perceiving hand. Nipian Paul, Joe Magiquai, Diani, Gitiki Wiggy-Rom, Kaki Boga Boa, Wiggy-Rom me, Obitoro, Obiero, man now, okay. Pian John, Gitty, Terrible Cherry, General, Honorable Santa should know, okay. General Magitiki Ekapu, Alibaria, Felix Gulaje, 2,000 acres. General Badi, why didn't have the worst person on earth? I don't mind. Tiki after 2,600. So kita kuangalia kunu. Mayari bagi tomanani, ya kanya yari tiye, yari kuoma be. So mama rubela luaye lo kapaka, wanu murigi. Gege na yari ngo, watika balo, there master plan tika bito yari ti kwa yari ngo. So that second group, magi wadi ni jawani miara. Tika la chiel, but deep tika menda mara tena chori mapada rawa wadi niya kan for all the other reasons. Anti-group enemy. So the woman get ye committed long ago. You have what a year, lawyer, you know, get an animal like a Benadon Cody cut up in a lock a dog with her. My job, I put a motor like in right. No, quite a lock in the amount. So that is the second group. Oh, that's the political statement. I agree to be professional. Okay, second group, stay, leave. Third group, T group. Won't you go very TikTok? Ma pay you questions on Balado on TikTok. For the first time, you're viewing my channel. Sit down while you be a beach. None of my videos has reached that level. Only 180,000. So what message does it pass on Abu Komlo? It means Jomatica viewing, Tijomania and Ma are not within jurisdiction. So this word Balalo is a misnomer. Piandamo Aki Rwanda, Tikai, Damo Aki Congo, Tikai, Damo Aki Burundi, Tikai, Gendom Wang Logini, Balalo. And also Tibanyam Kodekai. So if this meeting may be careful, we may be mild on fellow Ugandans, but for non-Ugandans, we are Aki Yen, we be Wakai, council at is disturbing. For example, Kaicheria who falls the last fence, not in the name of work, Cher local Gavanita. Local Gavan. She was Chungimota, Cher Temolo, Nepenwata, and Rwandese. So they are also Rwandese kind. So, senior Professor David Guitar, Mom, my young Morokwane Bible, Ni promise land, down no promise land, gave all your children. Their prayers in the Bible have been answered. So the third position, which is a lot liberal, ni down one map, who got to chair the keyboard John can chair the million Pierre, big million Pierre ball. Pick it up and get them with Jalugo. But the fact remains, the customary land, and only law allowed the traffic in 1 year time. So the white name it was Kilako to a power where community time frame not exceeding like 10 years. So come out my way to carry the million to get a chance to go and run chair like 9 years. After that the land. So we are the whole thing into lease. Tony Guitar agree with me. Any rental agreement. Macaro 3 years senior. Any rent, Macaro 3 years, only one lease. Immediately, get over water, take a permanent, don't do lease. Yes, one is regulated by the Contract Act, probably the other one is regulated either by the RTA or whatever. So the way kick up the formula, Manon Natuman wheelchair Mukaro, ko pa ngom apa ke la ko to apa an chinge ngom dugo che. But that one calls for a lot of institutional organization. Ma Joe Mubera criticizing Harmony. I'm not criticizing Harmony, but I'm criticizing the behavior of the FDs. They were not neat. You know these days, can share what they get a kill that kitchen, where Chow can now dear not who kill that. They are appetite of an architect. I can't be a foot, whatever to say. You don't have to say that, but I'm not a little bit of the hour. Whatever I could have China. But I'm not that glass. So the whole process was murky, okay? So the white name were turning to list, and this requires a lot of institutional mechanism. Many young people, Jomo Pam, build a registering in a secretariat, Jomo will record over central and a public document, transforming into rentals. Man, it will involve a lot of legal work, and it will need a complete secretariat. If we are the fourth group, Mapoke keep slightly from the last, the third one, Mapan. And any Gilab Ginubed me apa, Gilab bed me, Gilab will bed me apa, Gemin Gimwa, and to any more earning moment, what your This idea we just developed it yesterday. Yesterday we sat here up to midnight thinking. Now, I don't know when you can take a more. Only advantage and disadvantage here. Take what you need. Keep Mama Charlie with me a pa in a one duo. We are going to trigger something here to down without our moment we do. So we will need a way of stopping it. We need a stop gate. Nichari kai charo do ku bidugumo. So that is again an improvement of the third position. Makelo the fourth position. Dia kan we akanya awe mau biduge ma padalo ma charo ne wa charo ma pa pigi mo. Our people are weird. So that is the fourth position. And the last position, more kapiti source more paro disclosing without permission. Kaya sort ni ke kwan wel diam mati ngom. So pe eka che mwa ka che ke me dia che. So kiti a ngom. I'm glad because of pressure more care. I'm glad because of pressure more care. And I sleep with a clean conscience. Game don't get a conceding. Niki don't go and look why I'm Niki the picture. So how are holding on there? So get one cow, 1 acre, 1 year. So Joe Magiti Mom may pay away or Adam, who better may on the end, he waiting on. But that school of thought, Dr. Toperato has not been fully developed. For how long? That school of thought does not answer the issue of land ownership. It's now we carefully thought about what do in this workshop where and Kimok one. Council to the guitar, Kimok one. There are 4 positions. It's very unlikely that with a new position beyond and when more be careful. Me and Che and a job, my wedding Balado must stay. Name a pego are the kind. Name a Nico existent. Uganda and Rome, but you can't make man look at the matter why they go and media getting more than the case the other point of Donna is the whole flowing on. Things. Ni watika matucha mono kero wa social media video ni komlotea wabejo. Joan me robet kind. Now group think are very influenced by 2 things. One, and balalo ni enemy ni chente. Not my group and KD Christo mabera beyond. La seminaria no maro jaibe. So enemy meaning 200 girl away to get out of the so they are sponsoring them, we cutting here from Kendi, cutting here from Santa Pot, cutting here from that. So that group only is paid up. The second part of that first group, any job, Magatamani, Kajon are the way the dog chapter. So don't you know the 2 no? Guitar, Kijon, we do all for the time. So the first group of winning, John Mera. The second group, any group of winning, John must leave. Dolalo